The final construction phase of the Port of Long Beach's Middle Harbor Redevelopment Project is on track to open in early 2021. Construction started in 2011 on this massive $1.5 billion project to merge two old shipping terminals into one of the most advanced and greenest in the world. More than two-thirds of the terminal has completed and is in active use. When the third and final phase of construction is completed, Long Beach Container Terminal, also known as LBCT, will have an annual capacity of 3.3 million 20-foot equivalent cargo container units, which would rank it as America's sixth busiest port by itself. Equipped with electric-powered cargo handling equipment, the terminal can load and unload ships with zero emissions. Shore power at every berth, a dramatically expanded on-dock rail yard, and solar panel arrays over parking lots will help further cut air pollution emissions. The 112-acre area currently under construction will extend the wharf to its full length of 4,250 feet to allow the docking of 3 ships simultaneously. The terminal also includes environmentally friendly buildings that meet strict standards of sustainability, including energy and water conservation and use of recycled materials. As part of the port's industry-leading capital improvement program, Long Beach Container Terminal will be one of the most modern, efficient, and green terminals in the world.